everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel My Study IQ. Today we are going how to create these types of game using sketch programming. Okay, so let's start. तो स्केच प्रोग्रामिंग अगर हमको करना है तो सबसे पहले जो है हम लोग को दो स्पीड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. द फर्स्ट स्पीड्स आर नोन एज फ्लाइंग कैट. दिस इज द फ्लाइंग कैट एंड द बैक स्टेज ऑफ द फ्लाइंग आर नोन एज स्काई ब्लू. सो let's we are going to start the coding for the flying cat. For the flying cat we have to use when I clicked. This is the event block and I'm drag when I clicked. After that I am say hello. When it's start flying, say hi and hello for 2 seconds. So I'm going to insert this. After that if the flying cat moving up and down, so I'm going to write the code for moving cat up and down. So when I press space key and space key I am select arrow key. When I press arrow key, so the cat is moving up side. The ups and bottom side are known as y. You have to change y by 10. So I am going to use motion and this is the x, change x by 10. What do you mean by that? Up. जब हम इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो क्या होगा, जो स्पीड होगा ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा. तो इसको हम यहाँ पे सेट कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू डुप्लीकेट दिस एंड सेलेक्ट दिस वन टू डाउन एंड फॉर डाउन वी हैव टू यूज -10. ओके, सो दिस इज द कोड ऑफ फ्लाइंग कैट. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अ क्लाउड स्पीड्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट क्लाउड हेयर. सो दिस इज क्लाउड. This one is a cloud. I am going to write the code for cloud. So for cloud I am going to insert when I clicked. After that we have to use forever because the cloud is moving continuously. So for that I am going to insert the forever block. This is forever block. And in forever block we have to set the cloud in the random position in any screen. So sometimes the cloud moving from this side to left side and sometimes the cloud move in bottom side. So this is the random position. So I am going to use the random position. So this one is a go to random position. Next we are going to use change x by, this is the x position. This is the x and we have to move this cloud right to left. So what will change? The x axis will be changed. So I am going to write the code for that. So this is change x by, this is change x by. First you have to see the what is the coordinate of that particular positions. I am going to write 208 or 210. 210 is the coordinate of clouds. Next I am going to write the repeat block. Means the cloud repeating how much times. So I am going to use repeat block inside this and repeat 30 times. In repeat block I am going to use change x by -15. Change x by, this is change x by -50 means back side. This is the code of cloud and again I am going to write the code for scoring. So I am going to write the code for score. First of all I am going to click when I am clicked this block. After that I am going to show. So you have to go to sound and see the show and high block. This is the show and after that we have to set a variables. Here is a variables and we make a new variable name score. So this is the score by default 0. So you have to set the variables 0. Set variables 0 score. After that we use forever block because whenever the flying cat touches the cloud it will score 1. So it will run forever. So I am going to use a forever block and in forever block we have to use if condition. If condition. So this is a if condition. So what do you mean by that? If the flying cat touches the cloud it will get 1 score. So I am going to write the score. So you have to use sensing block and touching mouse. So you have to drag this and select here a flying cat. Yani when the cloud touches flying cat it will score 1 point. Okay, so change score by 1. So you have to drag this option inside the if. You have to change my variable to score. Next we have to use a hide. This is a hide block. After that we have to use a wait block. This is wait block. Wait 0.3 second, 0.3 second. After that we have to show the result. So this is a show. This is the all about the flying code. You have to run this program. You see the cloud is moving from any random positions. The speed of cloud is very fast, so you have to reduce the size of particular code. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.